Alright, it's Jeffrey Howell's Carpet Cleaning. I'm just going to go over some of the solutions that I'm going to be using today. It is a repeat job that we're going to be doing residential. I believe they have a cat if I remember right. I'm not totally positive. So what we're doing, and you can do this with a lot of different sort of cleaners, and there are cleaners that have them all built in one and all that. But what I like to do is I like to take my base cleaner, which is going to be the soap-free sodium carbonate solution, which is going to be somewhat similar to the Procyon product. It's a rinse-free agent, and that's why I like it, because it gets me kind of away from having to use a rinse on everything. And then I like to boost this with some peroxide. So what that does is that helps with brightening, it helps with sanitizing, it helps with all that sort of stuff that's in the carpeting. And then when you're dealing with a pet, I use the Vacaway hot knife. And what that does is that helps to attack some of the greasy nature of, you know, pet paws and skin and hair and fur and all that sort of stuff. So it just helps with the little oils and grease, and whether there's some food in there. It's not really hardcore, so you may have to bump it up to more of a grease, you know, sort of situation depending on the cleaning scenario. However, we are doing some residential, possibly a cat or two, so the hot knife works absolutely awesome for that. So basically what I do is I just use like a multi-sprayer, and I got 2 jugs made up. This will probably just get, you know, the upstairs, like master bedroom and a couple other bedrooms and a hallway and stuff, and I'll probably have to make up some more, but this will at least help me get a jump start on what we're going to be doing this morning. So if you have any questions or comments regarding cleaning solutions and how to use them, go ahead and kind of give me a call, and I'll give you my 2 cents worth. Not that it's that valuable, but the reason I use these particular products is because they were readily available to me when I began my carpet cleaning journey, and I've learned how to use them and how to mix them, and kind of found a combo that works the best, that fits both my cleaning style as well as yielding the results that I'm looking for when I'm cleaning customers' homes. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and take off to our first morning job.